Color Kinetics Powercore technology makes installation faster, easier, and less expensive than typical DMX systems. Here's what life was like before Powercore. Each fixture needed to receive power and data separately. Line voltage products offer maximum light output, but they need Class 1 wiring for power and Class 2 wiring for data. That means separate cables and junction boxes for power and data for each fixture. Some manufacturers offer a unique cable that combines Class 1 and Class 2, but the wires still need to be separated electrically, so a special junction box is required to make this work. Also, a terminator needs to be installed at the end of the run. Some manufacturers offer special plug-and-play terminators, but usually the electrician will have to create one with a resistor. Low voltage products make things easier because the power and data are both Class 2. But low voltage products require a power supply, and typically they produce far less light than line voltage products. Now let's see what kind of difference Powercore makes. We might as well get this out of the way. Powercore does require a power supply, but each unit can support a standard circuit full of fixtures and up to 400 feet total in leader and jumper cables. Powercore uses standard 18-gauge 4-wire cable, with the fourth wire sending an encoded control signal the fixtures can interpret. All of the wires going to the fixture are Class 1, so Powercore doesn't need special junction boxes. The low-voltage data signal can be daisy-chained between power supplies, and fixtures can be connected in various configurations, allowing for lots of design flexibility. Sure, the most important factors for color-changing lights will always be quality performance and long life, but installation doesn't have to be an expensive nightmare, at least not if you use Powercore.